The Restore program is extremely beneficial for our residents in this type of setting. It gives them a different form of therapy, different form of activity.
You know, what we normally do, not everybody is interested in just sitting and standing and doing exercises, so it gives them a fun way to participate, come in with the games, and they don't even realize that they're doing therapy, which is really nice.
Working on their coordination, their strength, their endurance. And a lot of the residents seem to really like it too.
In other places I've used the Wii, which can be really hard to handle like a controller, so it's nice that they just have a ball and they can actually see themselves and see like actually what's going on. It makes it a lot more simplified, and I feel like you can use it with a lot more residents that way.
Using the Restore, I've been able to see increased motivation in some of the patients. So it's also getting them to participate longer in therapy, to meet their goals.
Gets me to do things while I'm in my room by myself as much as I can do on my own. I think trying to get my high hand coordination down, some stamina build up in my left shoulder. Try to focus on those two things for right now.
Doing the Restore program, even though they can't come in the facility, a resident can feel connected still to their family by playing a game with them even though they're at home.
The fact that it's virtual reality enables the residents to do different motions and use their arms and their legs in different ways than a typical therapy session would allow.